Hello guys, my name is Ansista. In this video I would like to make a tutorial on how to open a secret shelf with a lever. Now this is really important, this is really similar to, finding a handle and um, unlocking a door with a lever, but this is like how to rotate a shelf, like a secret shelf. I think this is a bit different, so that's why I want to make it. And I think it's really good for everyone to like connect the dots, and see like different patterns, but it's like all kind of like similar in the scripting. So again, I'm gonna try to show it as fast as possible. So let's go into it instantly. So I again have some editor right here, level editor. So this is the map, pretty simple. First of all, what you need to have is a lever. Now, you don't need to have it on this night. You can have it whenever. You don't need to name it even, because it's already a lever. So you want to go into entity, into gameplay, and you just want to find some lever. You can use lever nice, lever simple, lever small, whatever you want. So I use this lever nice. And then you want to go into entity, and you want to go into connection state change callback, which means that after you put it down or up, I'm not sure right now, what it will do, what is the function that will do, and we want to move shelf. Okay, before I think it was open door, right, in with the with the lever. Now is to move shelf, so this is the function that we want to use in scripting. And this is the shelf. Okay, we need to name the shelf, so I just call it like shelf with capital S. And then in entity, there is a angular offset area. You want to put area rotate. Okay. And the area rotate means that there is like the scripting box right here, the script. And you want to put it where you want to rotate, basically, right? So if you want to here, the shelf will rotate around it. If it's, I don't know, middle, I don't know how it will rotate, but just put it on a side so it will look really good and it will just be professional. But you can like do whatever with it. Like you can do some crazy stuff if you want. Name it area rotate. I think you can like name it whatever, but in scripting you just need to like change it. So I'm just saying like that's what you want to do. So important that in entity there is the same name as on the script. So what it means is that when you pull out the lever, this will move the shelf. But how it will move the shelf? By area rotating, which is this. It will rotate around the area. So that's what you simply want to do. Okay, cool. Now we are going into scripting. I'm not gonna repeat on the HPS. Watch my previous videos. I would recommend to watch part 1 where everything is explained. Or if you don't know how to make HPS file, watch one of my previous videos. Uh, I make already the tutorials on that. So yeah. But this is the HPS. Again, in description, you're gonna have the copy paste thingy, the script that you can just copy paste, but it's really good for you to understand like what everything means, so you understand it pretty much. So again, void OnStart, AddEntityCollideCallback. This is how you name it. So handle. Actually, why I have this? Okay, never mind. This is unimportant. This is from the previous one. Okay, this is the AttachLever. This is from the previous one. The point is that for this, you don't need any entity callback, because why? Because, for example, this lever is not named. You don't need this, okay? The problem is that if I remove this, then I have the two same brackets, so the game will not be able to start because I have two same brackets, and I cannot just close brackets without not having anything, because I need to have OnStart this, and after void, after a function, you always need to have this bracket. So what to do with that is simply just, for example, I have it here, right? This is the script for attaching lever. There's the AddEntityCallback. And then there is like the AttachLever, unlock door, and puzzle. That's what we did in previous video. And then you just put it after that. Void MoveShelf. You just put it after, and that's it. You don't need to like complicate it. So put it after that. And that's why I did like this AddEntityCollideCallback. But yeah, I mean, you can just put whatever there. It doesn't really matter. But now the important part is this, okay? So void MoveShelf. This is the function that we're gonna use on the shelf, which is this. By the way, I didn't mention it. I forgot to mention. What is important is that you have shelf that is a secret door rotation. Okay, so when you go again to gameplay and you go to shelf, there is like a secret door, and I would recommend to put secret door, shelf secret door, rotate. Okay, rotation, rot. I don't know if there is a difference between this, just saying it, just in case it will not work. Maybe that's the reason. Just put rotation, but maybe others will work as well. Okay, so back to the scripting. This is the function that we're gonna use. Now, if get, I don't know what is this, okay? I don't know what this is, to be honest. I guess this is for the lever. Yeah, when lever is going like down or up, I'm not sure, it will activate that. So SetMoveObjectState. So the shelf, which is how we name it, will do a certain thing, right? And that's exactly what is right here. It will area rotate around this script area. So that's how it works. And now it's gonna play a sound. So after you pull down the lever, it will play a sound. Okay, which is quest complete sound and play music. You can like change it whatever you want. Like it doesn't matter. And SetLocalVarInt, I think this is for lever, like it will reset back to the medium or something. I don't know. Yeah, return. I don't think this is important, but maybe you need to put it here. Then you just save it. And we are going into the game. And it should work. So, as you can see, I'll pull the lever. And it opened the shelf. It rotated around this area. It makes the sound, so that's it.